Greetings, church family. My name is Daniela.
My name is Michaela.
And we are joining you from the behind the scenes of our most recent Sabbath fellowship. We just had an amazing word hosted by our pastor. He did an amazing panel. And so we just wanted to share some takeaways. So, Michaela?
First takeaway, authenticity. That was a big word today. Be real with yourself, be real with other people, be intentional about your approach. And lastly, you can't be a passive Christian, okay?
Mm-hmm. And my big takeaway was that there is no right or wrong outside of the Bible in the eyes of the Lord. As long as what you believe is rooted in what the Word of God says, you can do no wrong in the eyes of the Lord. So
absolutely.
That's my one takeaway from this sermon.
Hope you have a blessed week. I hope that this past week was kind to you. Stay in touch. Stay in tune. Look, the pastor in the background.
There goes,
You're in for a treat. We're about to interview our elders, okay? Stay tuned.